We have made it to Minnesota.
Yep.
Our Farrar right here, Reggie, Rasmussen, Avery.
Hey!
We are working on the super premium Jaguar, isn't that right? XJ8 2009, and we're doing some detail work on it. Reggie and his expertise here.
I wouldn't say expertise, high amateur expertise. We have taken all kinds of lists and we've compiled them into a project management situation.
The first part of it is to plan out what you're gonna do, obviously.
It's gonna be a thorough 30 to 40 hour job.
Reggie knows a thing or two about taking care of premium vehicles. Audi R8.
2015, it's a V10 with a 6-speed manual.
Reggie's gonna show us the process of what it's gonna take over the next couple of days.
There's so much to do here. If we want to do it beautifully and do it right, there's a lot to do. So we're going to start with the preparation. The preparation is we got to wash the garage. We're going to have all of our necessities laid out. Phase 2 is the car. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to detail the engine. Then we're going to wash the car. We've got a couple of little things we're going to do so we don't, scratch the car because the car's dirty. We're going to use some nice wash mitts, heavy on the soap, and very gentle wash. And after we dry the car, then we're going to clay the car.
Instant detailer.
Yep.
Clay.
Yes.
We're using this clay. We're getting all this stuff.
This guy's accidentally spurted it out again and again. This guy can't control himself. Well, you use spray on the vehicle, and then you take a bar of clay, and you rub the bar of clay over the paint. The impurities on the paint, like road grime and salt that you can't get off, and just gunk on that the paint collects, will be hooked up into the clay. You will be shocked at what comes off the paint from the car we just washed. We're going to polish the car. Now the polish process is going to include 5 steps. Now we don't know if we're going to need all 5 steps because we don't know specifically what condition the paint is in. If the paint's in very poor condition, we're going to use 5 steps.
Paint is kind of in some rough shape. A lot of sitting in the sun in California.
To your point here, this car is worthy of doing this amount of detailing work.
this vehicle is a long one.
It's
200 inches long from front to end.
Then we do both front fenders as a step in itself. For me, the exterior of the car is the reward. The exterior of the car, when it literally sparkles like a diamond, is the reward. We are putting the final touch on Vahid's XJ8, which we've spent 30 to 40 hours on cleaning. Last night, the final step was we painted his British Motor Cars of San Francisco license plate frame.